Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling how to delete a Trello board or card, vital for keeping your workflow clean and organized. To kick things off, you'll first need to log into your Trello account. It's crucial as this is your access point to all your boards and cards. Now, let's say you want to delete a board. Navigate to the board's main page. Here you'll find all the lists and cards it contains. This step matters because it's where you'll find the settings to manage your board. Next up, find and click on Show Menu at the top right corner. This provides the drop-down list with the option to delete your board. Click on More and then Close Board at the bottom. It's important to remember that Trello doesn't immediately delete your board. Instead, it closes it first to help you avoid accidental deletions. Now that we've done that, you'll see a confirmation box. Click on Close and your board will be closed. But hang on, we're not quite done yet. To delete the board permanently, let's head back to the main page, click on your profile, and choose Closed Boards. This is where all your closed boards live. Finally, find the board you want to delete, click on Permanently Delete Board. And voila, your board is deleted. This step is significant as it helps to maintain a clutter-free Trello environment, improving your productivity. To delete a card, the process is quite similar. Open the card, click on More at the bottom right corner, then Archive, and finally, Delete. Just like deleting boards, archiving before deleting is Trello's way of safeguarding against accidental loss. In a nutshell, that's how you delete a Trello board or card. Remember, keeping your workspace tidy is key to effective task management. Keep practicing and you'll master it in no time.